Welcome. Front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi 8A, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. And to get started, let's power off the device. Now also mention that this process will remove a screen lock if you have one that you don't know the pattern to. So select power off. And once the device shuts off, we will then hold the power key, volume up, both of them at the same time. And when you see the Redmi logo, you can let go. And as you can see, we're now in recovery mode. So from here, using volume keys, you want to select the second option. Press power key to confirm it. Then power key once more. And confirm. And it will begin. It only gets like a couple percent, and as you can see, data wipe successful. So let's press power key to go back, and press power key once more to reboot, and reboot to system. And now the process will continue in the background, so this will take a couple minutes, but once it's finished, we will be then greeted with the Android setup screen. And I'll be back once we can actually see the setup screen. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.